To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a whole lot easier. Plus, there's a few surprise gifts for you inside of the blueprint. That's from late great Free, which was a great band back in the day. Paul Rogers on the vocal, Paul Kossoff on the guitar. And that lick is in the key of A. I wanted to show you guys just a little piece of it. It's you're basically doing an A chord with your first finger, second fret, classic rock and roll. And then you do a D, like a D chord move here. So you got your ring finger on the D4. You got your second finger on the B3 and your barred on this A, so it ends up sounding like this. So this is pre-Bad Company days, Paul Rogers. And then the second part, you take your pinky and you pick up the D5, and you basically keep that D form. It's like a D with a G in the bass. And just flatten it to the 4th fret. Back to the A. So it sounds like this. Doesn't have to be perfect because it's rock and roll, right? So here's what it sounds like, the intro and just sort of both of them together. Okay, so the verse, well, I took her home to my place, watching every move on her face. She said, hey, what's your game, baby? Are you gonna put me in chains? I said, slow, don't move so fast. Do you think that love can last? She said, love above, now you're trying to get me in love. Then the chorus goes. Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday we pick a new winner to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the YouTube channel and you're automatically registered to win. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates for when new videos are uploaded. And make sure you like this video and comment down below for even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our daily video and in the community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson. Lifting your A finger, the index finger up to a G, and then on the D chord you go, or just, so basically working that G string, second fret. So the whole thing together goes, I'll do it slow. In context, well, it's all right now, baby, it's all right now, all right now. Right to the intro. And so on. I took her home to my place, watching every move on her face. She said, hey, what's your game, baby? Are you trying to put me in jail? She said, slow, don't move so fast. Do you think that love can last? I said, love, love. Now you're trying to trick me in love, of course. All right now, baby, it's all right now. All right now, baby, it's all right now. It's all right now. Then it does a whole section with here's, once it does a little guitar twiddle thing, and then it goes into the, does a little bass line. Into a long solo, which I won't go into right now, and it ends with the E. Okay? And then it goes back to the intro. That's the main part I want to show you. Hey, yeah. You can either do the A to this G, or I like to use this other G I'm about to show you, which is like a Hendrix used a lot. And you basically play like a regular G, it's like a G bar chord, right? But with your thumb over, and then lift up the second finger. It's a great version of G. There's a lot of Hendrix used it on a more of a, but for the purposes of this song, you can use it as a replacement for this G. So, I love the sound of that. Baby, it's all. So that was just a little taste of a lick that we were sitting here with my buddy Jason, talking about classic riffs, classic rock riffs, and that's one of them for sure. So that's All Right Now by Free, featuring Paul Kossoff and Paul Rogers, before Bad Company came along. I hope you enjoyed that, and a little rock and roll for your day. I'll see you down the road. Thank you for taking the time to check out this online guitar lesson. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a whole lot easier at www.jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag and apparel, guitar gear, and sometimes we'll even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment below, and share this video with anyone you think might like it. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck!